Hello pilots of the internet, welcome to Foldable Flight. In this video, I'm just doing a short profile on a paper airplane that has no center crease. This plane is called Zephyr, and it is actually my single favorite paper airplane. I get that question a lot, what is your favorite paper airplane? And perhaps you'll find this underwhelming. But not only does this not have a center crease, look at the way the back of the wing undulates. Look at that wave shape, the waveform that just goes across the back of the plane. And this literally, I don't think there's a single other paper airplane in the world that shares that kind of shape. And you can see on the bottom, it has this awesome locking mechanism that actually is a three-dimensional form that holds the wings in tension so that there's less horizontal space on the bottom than this paper wants to cover. And so that forces the paper into this arc, and the arc then can be turned into this wave. Now, I love this paper airplane just folded out of white paper, folded out of colored paper, because it really feels like a sculpture. And distracting from it, I always felt like would be a problem. So when I set about designing the illustrated folding paper for this plane, I was worried that I was going to like the plane less after creating the paper. But I actually really love the way this turned out. You can see this beautiful design. I kind of tried to make it feel futuristic in its feel, and this just really matches the name Zephyr for me so well. And so if you are interested in learning how to fold this plane, then consider backing my Kickstarter, where I'm creating a book that contains instructional diagrams, links to video tutorials, and folding papers for each of 15 incredible paper airplanes like this one that all look amazing and fly beautifully as well. So I am going to show you this plane in flight. It actually is an excellent glider. You can see just by its wing shape that it's going to have an awesome glide ratio, and it really just flies so gently. And the name Zephyr, which just means a gentle breeze, is so perfect for it because of its form and its performance in flight. So I hope you've enjoyed watching, learning a little bit about Zephyr. And again, just consider, if this is a paper airplane you'd like to learn how to fold, consider backing my project on Kickstarter so that we can bring this book into, make it a reality, and that you guys can learn these awesome planes.